Welcome to the I Hate My Job show, featuring your host, me, nigga. Hey. Listen, man, we had to get our main drain snaked.
What?
You know, the little that thing.
What are you talking about, man?
And now the whole house smell like dookie, bro.
I'm out.
I guess you can call that a shitty situation. Welcome back.
Damn. Motherfucker.
Hey, we're back doing something to react to. I feel like that was too long of a pause on that second part of that intro thing. Don't worry about it, man. How are y'all? It's Wednesday. It is, what's today? Monday for me. I'm gonna stop telling y'all what day it is, bro. I feel like it ruins the illusion, bro. Have you recorded yourself? You can hear all the noises your mouth make, bro. It's super weird. Hit the like and the sub. Let's get into these damn clips. I'm gassy. Diana Joyce. Laugh emoji. Never judge a book by its cover. Well, that looks like a flat butt. I just hope that. All right. Oh, we wasn't even talking about. That's rude. I'm sorry. Like, all right. Which book am I judging? I'm judging both these motherfuckers. Come on, man. Okay. Was that a Ferrara? That's a Ferrara right there. That's nice. That's real nice. That motherfucker said, oh. No, that's a Lamborghini. Listen, you can tell I ain't got no money. Let me tell you something. I said Ferrara. That's a Lamborghini. I thought that was a Ferrara for a minute. Listen, don't nobody really give a damn if you got money, bro. Like, weird flex, I guess. I guess it's a cool flex, you know what I'm saying? Especially motherfuckers shitting on you for being poor. Man, but don't nobody give a damn. D1, why has this not been done? Why has not what been...
All right, and before you give me any of your wishes, I've heard it all.
Mm-hmm.
Don't wish for more wishes. I don't want to bring anyone back from the dead, and I can't kill anybody, okay? That's it?
It's
Those are your
Latin.
only rules? Why are you saying it like that? Yes, those are my only rules. No reason.
What the fuck you about to wish for?
No reason at all.
Hey,
What are you writing down? What are you doing? What's going on here? I'm just making a list of some things that I want. That's
What
like
you want,
7
dog?
things already. I told you, don't wish for more wishes. I'm not wishing for more wishes.
He gonna wish for everything on the list? I wish to have
So
everything
I
on the
wish
list.
that everything on this piece of paper would come true.
Fire. Hey, yo. Got his ass, bro. Loophole, motherfucker.
Son of a bitch!
Damn, bro. Listen, it's your fault, bro. You have a terrible, what's that paper you signed? Terms of agreements, whatever the fuck, bro. I work today. I don't care. My brain don't work on work days. Whatever. It's your fault, bro, for having a terrible terms of services. I don't even give a damn, stupid ass genie. That's fire. Let me find a genie. He getting finessed. I'm gonna have 3 lists for your stupid ass. Cool, C4. What's up, C4? Because animals. Okay. Is that a rabbit? Cat? I don't.
Is that?
It's a raccoon.
That is not a dead raccoon.
What is it then?
That's your cat.
Oh.
That's a cat.
Where did you get this busted up ass fucking dog?
He found me.
Aw.
You're not keeping this.
Yeah.
I have to. He owes me money.
What?
I had to
dog.
take him to the vet.
You named him, what did you named him Convict?
Well, yeah, he was on the loose.
Hey, he was on the loose. That's.
Now I'm getting him a Happy Meal.
Nah, he a big ass baby.
Let him try.
Fucking cats, bro. Fat ass. So fat ass. That's what you get. Like, this gotta be terrible to be an unathletic cat. Because ain't cats naturally athletic? What's in your DNA to make you a non-athletic cat. Oh, what you got? 4 lives instead of 9? Oh, fatty. D1. We need more cops like him and less stupidity like her. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, you trying to be. What the? Did you see?
Oh, this bitch stupid.
What? Roll your window down. Oh, she crazy.
Why would you do that?
She trying to have her weekend be messed up.
Get out, please.
Well, did she do it on purpose? She had to.
Cuff her. Cuff her.
Hey, listen, I'm childish. I don't give a damn if I'm a cop or not. I'm just gonna hit your car back with the cart. We gonna be out here carring all day, bro.
Oh, he cuffing the door to the cart.
Damn.
Good. 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 That's what she deserved. That's exactly what she deserved.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
She lucky we didn't do more.
That's hilarious.
You should be arrested.
Whole video fake. I was waiting for it to be up. That whole damn video was fake, bro. But nah, we would have been carring, bro. We would have been out this bitch carring like I'm a miraculous ladybug. At Alfonso, at D1, at who? Fuck, man, that's Cliff. What's Cliff's name? I can't remember. At Scoot and fucking at Stephanie. Tom Cardi, perception check. Let's go.
On the horizon of this forest path, you see a group of dark, cloaked figures slowly trudging towards you. What do? My half-orc barbarian braces her great hammer and...
Hey, y'all some fucking nerds, bro. I am not watching 2 minutes of this. I'm a nerd too, but I ain't watching 2 minutes of this.
That's a 1. Critical fail. Steve, what do? Well, I believe in anticipation, my rogue would try and hide behind a tree. Okay, I rolled a 1. That's another critical fail. Tom, what does your human bard do? Active perception check. That's a natural 20. Let's fucking go. I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes.
What?
These motherfuckers mean to harm us, and they got to go. So come on, get them now. You picked the wrong day to fuck around with my tight crew. So let's give it in. I can perceive you.
These niggas sang it.
Me and my boys gonna mess you up. I rolled a 1. Fuck. My boys are otherwise.
It said fuck. Hey, listen. I don't give a damn about no Dungeons and Dragons and no D&D. This song fire.
Engaged, so I'm gonna bring it on myself. Hey, I forgot. You're supposed to tell me what I see, right? Yes, thank you. Let's just slow it all down a bit.
Slow it down, bro.
You notice that one of the hooded figures is a little shorter. I cast vicious mockery. Nat 20. Let's go. You're a short motherfucker, and nobody likes you.
Oh.
Short. Everybody says, look how fucking short that guy is. And that stops you from forming meaningful relationships.
Come on now.
When you were born, everybody thought that you were just a head, but then that doctor said, wait, this stupid motherfucker tiny short ass baby got a tiny little itty.
That is the best short roast, bro. When you were born, they thought you was just a head, bro. Damn.
From forming meaningful relationships. And when you were born, everybody thought that you were just a head, but then the doctor said, wait, this stupid motherfucker tiny short ass baby got a tiny little itty bitty body, and I hate it. Your attack absolutely shatters the mind of the
tiny little itty bitty body, and I hate it, bro. Why he going stupid on his Dungeons and Dragons?
Baby got a tiny little itty bitty body, and I hate it. Your attack lands and absolutely shatters the mind of the cloaked figure. Perception check, please. Nat 20, let's go. You perceive the figure was so short because it was a child. There's always a kid, specifically the child you've been looking for the last 15 days game time and
Hey, listen,
5 days of our.
I don't know what the fuck perception check is. I know some Dungeons and Dragons stuff, you nerds, but hey, this song fire, bro. I don't even give a damn.
Actual lives. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know I'll be better. His body's just lying there, right?
Come on, sing that shit. Sing it, come on.
Don't.
Do it. Good body.
Bitch.
All right, bro. Kind of aggressive. Hey, man, who is that, bro? Bro was singing. Do we be singing like that all the time? Was I sure do like when they be singing, let me tell you, bro. Yeah. Look at y'all, nerds. Fucking love it. It's always the bard killing the children. It's hilarious because Fonz is a bard. If we wrote, man, shut your ass up, D1. Good times indeed. Oh, my fucking God, that's awesome. I'm just jealous because I ain't playing, that's all. Alfonso, the more you know. Okay.
He took off his ball.
He did it to send a message.
Okay.
In his words,
You'll never know true power until you've tasted the testicles of a man who's
No. Pause. All right, look, bro. I know what this is. First of all, what is this film or movie? I keep thinking Into the Badlands, but I know what it is. What is this, bro? Second of all, what? Nigga, that don't make sense. You just a freaky murderer, bro. That's all that is. It ain't no fucking code to fucking, oh my. Brittany Belch, laugh emoji. Jared Birch, the best Christmas gift ever. That Gilbert Godfrey.
McKenna, please take your seat.
More like Gilbert Godfrey. Hold on. Run it back. What do you say? Every year, Christmas, every year, I give my sister a bitch gift. Okay. This year I took things to a whole new level.
I do a similar gift every year. So this year I went a little above and beyond.
Hi, this is Gilbert
What is
Godfrey.
Gilbert?
This is from McKenna, and it's coming from Jared. Now, first of all, Merry Christmas.
Hey, listen, if you ain't growing with Gilbert Godfrey voicing your favorite creatures in fucking animated movies and films, then this might be weird to you. Like, who the fuck is, I can imagine, what's she like, 12, 13, 15? Fucking old ass Gilbert Godfrey come on my screen with that fucking raggedy ass voice, bro.
Take a deep breath. Merry Christmas. Now,
Like, oh,
I want you to open up your gift, okay? Open your gift,
straight up.
and now, cut.
Do kids know who Gilbert Godfrey is? Ask y'all kids if they know who Gilbert Godfrey is.
Congratulations on being the world's biggest bitch. So Merry Christmas. You McKenna, you are the biggest bitch. Merry Christmas.
Hey, listen, Gilbert Godfrey call you a bitch, bro. You might be a bitch. I don't. D1, donut, tasty face, and donut again. Donut layer cake cuts open. What you got a donut cake? Ooh, donuts. I don't know if I like the aesthetics. Oh, even the idea of all this sugar.
Wow, this looks great on this side. And then we're going to cut into it, and I want you to be able to see the inside of what is fried.
Bro, you kind of fucking...
Once we have that, we're going to bring this right here. I don't want to burn myself.
Don't burn yourself.
Look at that!
Man, y'all hear how hard this heavy ass shit hit the plate? Heart attacky, bro, and diabetes.
Take a little bit of Hershey's
Oh, you
chocolate.
putting more sugar on it?
We want this to all to be very easy for you.
Pour it on there. Yeah.
Just a handful of sprinkles.
See?
What is a donut?
Sprinkles ruin everything. Ice cream, cupcakes. Who want a sprinkle, bro? I'm eating cake. I don't want candy on my cake. What kind of fucking sugar beetle are you? I don't even know what a sugar beetle is, bro.
Without sprinkles, I'll tell you. Whipped cream.
Disgusting. Now it's disgusting. This whole shit is
And
gross.
that goes on the top.
Nasty. Now it's a stupid idea.
Donuts.
2 dozen.
There is our donut cake.
That's all right. That's all right. I'm going into a fucking diabetic coma watching that shit, bro. My motherfucking tongue is numb from the sugar intake. Jesus. Pause. Coop C4. Bunch of emojis. There you go. We got some dead faces, fucking laugh emojis, and dinosaurs, bitch. I love Fredo,
I'm not
bro.
like no expert on the subject by any means, but I'm like 99% sure that was Godzilla I just heard.
Hell yeah.
We finally get into the season finale, bro. Like, is this it for us?
Yeah, that was for sure Godzilla. Let's run that back. Let's hear that one more time. Hey, yo. What was that, bro? Well, that sound like giant demon kind of energy, bro. Nobody has time for that. Where do y'all live? What is going on in other places, bro? Why we don't ever have giant monsters in the background when there's rainstorms here, bro? I want to see a giant monster do stuff. D1. Laugh emoji. Funny fools. D1's actually one on here that I haven't seen, I think. Bro, you ain't see this, but that was the most delayed reaction I've ever seen in my life.
Oh
He's scared as hell. That is one ugly ass little monkey. Came in the door, stupid as hell.
Get pranked, uncouple.
This motherfucker thumped the camera. How's it? Hey, that's a fire reaction. He's like, hey, listen, bro. Is that Chucky? Yeah.
I didn't see anything. What? Where? What?
This motherfucker said, go away, bro. Like, stop it. Quit playing with me. Stupid. Hey, man. You're dead. Yep. Get him, fat man. You're dead. She played too much. Hey, that first lady. That first lady was tripping, bro. If you didn't have hot liquid on you, you wasn't gonna fucking slap it off you, stupid. Diana Joyce. Hot coffee. The laugh emoji. P.O. me. P.O. me. P.O. me. P.O.V. when you haven't had your morning coffee. Grady, put your jacket on. Grady.
Grady, put your jacket on. I don't want to wear my stupid jacket, Mom. I don't care. It's
Let me see this one.
and you're gonna wear your jacket. I don't want to put my stupid jacket on. What did you say, Chrissy? Put it on.
Grady. This happened a few days ago too, man. Grady went crazy. Grady, you get your ass whooped, bro. You better put that motherfucking jacket on. Diana Joyce eyeball emojis. We're gonna end it soon, folks. Diana Joyce eyeball emojis. Smarter than human. Hey, listen, I can tell by that crackle, this is about to be bad. Oh, I burned my whole arm doing that. Burned my whole damn arm doing that right there, trying to say something.
Holy shit!
Hey, listen, dog smarter than me said, I am gone, sir. You stupid, I'm leaving. We got this one from the homie Rob Riggs. He don't know no better, bro. Like, it's Longbeard Riggs in Discord. You don't know, you ain't got no emojis or nothing, bro. It's fine. Neil Entertainment, Jordar Action by Nishant Panja. Yeah. I like that name, though. That name, Panja? That's pretty good. This ain't motherfucker, my child. Hold on, run this back.
Bachao! Bachao!
It's 360p.
Bachao! Bachao!
The hell you say? Hold on, bro. Is the captions on this? Give me a second there right now. No captions.
Bachao! Bachao!
Man, what in the hot hell?
Bachao! Bachao!
How the fuck your car teleport, bro? This motherfucker's coming up the street, then he was up the street, and they fell. All right, is she crying or sweating? Whatever. Hold on, bro.
Bachao! Bachao!
What in the Beyonce on Adderall is going on, bro? Watch out. Stop, bro. Who edited that, bro? Hey, who the hell is this? Damn. Hey, imagine getting backhanded by a man in a red business casual shirt with a motherfucking hair scarf tied around his waist. Stomach kick. Face kick. Get off me. The hell wrong? Chest slap. He slapped him on the chest. He did a perfect search and seizure position after that. It's fine. I want y'all to pay attention to something. You see that finger? You see how strong that finger is? He means business, bro. Belly flopping. What's your problem? Do what you told me eventually. What was that cap? Punch his ass. Punch his ass again. Punch him again. Punch him again. Punch his ass again. Yeah, better the Wednesday, bitch. Hell yeah. Money the dish. Hey, bro. So she like, take me home. Go on, get her. Man, your outfit sucks. Hey, bro. He punched. What was that noise she made? He was punching the shit. Whoever fucking made the sound effects on them punches, boy, good lord. There was some heavy dirt. Diana Joyce, laugh emoji. Wish I was 4 again when you can't manage all your side chicks at once.
You can't have 3 girlfriends?
No.
Why?
I could have 2. It's like,
right.
I don't want 3.
Does it stress you out having that many girlfriends?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's like I have to give one up.
Oh no. How are you?
He don't like her. Dwayne giving up, he don't like. I see it on his face. He trying to play innocent, but he ain't sad. He like, man, I just don't like this bitch, mama. The third, like the first 2 is cool, but that third bit, I can't stand her. Like, I don't like that breath stink.
You're gonna decide who to give up?
I don't know. It's like they're all pretty. I have to give one up.
Man, young player. Good lord.
Oh, it's rough being 5, isn't it?
I wish I was 4 again.
Who the hell is this old ass kid? Pimpin' ain't easy, young man. Talking about some wish I was 4 again. Motherfucker, what is wrong with you? Stop chasing them hoes, Jesse. Diana Joyce. Hard eyes and shit. This some cute stuff. Is that a duck and a kitten? What is that, puppy?
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be.
Oh, look at that. That's fucking, the geese is smiling. You can't tell me they ain't no fucking smile. What's wrong with this geese? I had to get beat up. D1. Laugh emoji, baby, face smacky palm. Binge that cringe. Part 2, don't do this to a new mother.
Jake!
Babe, can you bring me the baby?
Yeah, 1 second.
Her swaddle's on her, right? Okay, well, can I have her?
No.
It's dinner time. I need to feed her.
Well,
Stop! What are you doing?
I'm showing her the sunset.
Keep her out of the sun.
I got her.
Hey, listen, bro. If this ain't fake, this is some cruel shit. You shouldn't have gave it away at the beginning either, my G.
I got her.
I'm not kidding.
Can we just have a moment? Ask me one more time, and I'm
Stop, that's
throwing
not
her.
funny. Why would you?
I think it's hilarious. Gotta learn to swim. You ready?
Stop. You're not doing that. Give me the baby.
Nah, she on her knees like, bro.
Say it one more time.
She like, this is fucked up.
Me the baby. Jake.
Oh.
Stop, Jake.
Oh. I
Jake,
got her.
Put this on.
We're good swimmers.
She is
We're
a
good swimmers.
baby. Jake, this is not funny.
3.
Stop counting. It's not. It's just give her to me. Jake. Where's Alice?
Hey, yo.
Oh my God, you jerk!
Oh, hey, listen. I feel bad for her. She was about to cry. The girl holding the baby was about to cry. Listen, I'm leaving. Hey, they don't get divorced. They ain't together no more. I don't give a damn. Jake, you done. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? You don't do that, bro. You don't do that, sir. Fucking playing with some lady and her baby. She gonna kill you, dog. And you know what? Bravo to her. You fucking cruel ass baby abuser. I'm leaving, bro. Peace, love, strength. You know, shit. When y'all woke up this morning, your breath stank. Fix it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody breath stink in the morning. Duh, bro. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Shut the hell up. Leave me alone. Goodbye. I'm gone.